How to dispute a transaction on Bank of America. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to dispute a transaction on Bank of America, first and foremost head over to any of your preferred browser and then go to bankofamerica.com. When you dispute a transaction, you are asking your bank or credit card company to investigate and potentially reverse the charge. This process can be used for unauthorized charges, billing errors, and merchant issues. In order to do so, first and foremost, log in into your Bank of America account. Select the account associated with transaction you wish to dispute. Find and select the transaction in question. Then, tap or click on Dispute Transaction. It should be available as Dispute this transaction on the website version. Then after, it will ask you to follow some of the on-screen instructions. This will allow you to submit the dispute. Once that is done, you can even check the status of your claim using the website. Claims will be available for viewing for up to 120 days after the status changes from active to closed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.